How old are you?
Ooh, red velvet, thumbprints, snickerdoodles, pistachio. Yes.
Cranberry, orange shortbread. Don't play with me.
Amazing. You're 500 years old?
Yeah.
Do it again. What are you already won? Get out of here.
Second chance for
That is really cute. Oh, the cutest Nutella ever.
Clarito.
This is so cute. Oh. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my December vlog. I started 8 days late, but we are here at my sister Jessica's house getting busy in the kitchen. We've got Sabrina, my beautiful daughter, my other beautiful daughter, Samantha. And we are baking cookies, you guys.
Can I finish the one, Sabrina?
Yeah.
We are baking cookies as a family. Say hi, Jessica.
Hi. Hello.
What are we doing today, Jess?
Having a bake-off. Cookies.
So tell my YouTube family how old you are, or how much older you are than me, because they're going to ask me.
I'm 2 years older than you.
So this is my older sister, Jess, you guys. She is the oldest of the bunch. You guys will be seeing more of my family as I continue to vlog, but this is my oldest sibling. We're actually going to start a podcast together at the end of this month. So we're going to be able to talk to you guys about like how we're related, because it's a crazy story actually. And here we have my niece, Isabella. Say hey, Isabella. She's Jessica's youngest. And then we have my nephew over here. Say hi, Benjamin. So that's Benjamin. Super handsome. We are just baking cookies for our friends and families. We do this every year. Yeah, let's show them.
Not done yet.
Cookie sheets. No more cookie sheets. That's it. No more. Yeah, that's it for now. The rest are baking. No, I said I wasn't close.
Raw. It's not that it's raw.
No, raw footage.
Oh, yeah.
Not this raw.
Okay, so what are these, Jess?
Red velvet.
Red
Don't
velvet,
play.
thumbprints, snickerdoodles,
Snickerdoodle.
doodles. Guys, these are my doodle balls.
They're reindeer doodles.
Reindeer poo. Oh, pistachio. And then Jessica's hiding some other cookies over there. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, but can you get us one more, please?
Look at how big my nephew is, guys.
Ask Ben.
This is how tall he is. This is my nephew.
Can you go down to Isabella real quick? Because she wants someone to go with her.
Ooh, no, that's fine. I only want like 1 or 2 of those. Those are great.
I want a few of them.
Ah!
Sam, can you get something?
Isabella. She's going to be a star on her own. And this is Jax. Hey, Jax. These are another one of Jessica's famous cookies. What are those, Jess?
Cranberry, orange shortbread. Don't play with me.
Amazing. Love these.
Yeah.
Love these. Well, guys, thank you for being here for day 1 of my December vlog. December 8th, 2024. Christmas cookie making with my nieces and nephews. And my sister and daughters. So Jessica did some decorating. Wow. So cute. Hello, everybody. It is Christmas Eve 2024, and we are at Jessica's house.
Again, like the cookies.
That's right, like the cookies. Say hi, Sarah. Hello. Greetings. Say hello. That's my brother-in-law, Luke, right now. He'd rather be in virtual reality. That's Jax. Hey, Jax, stop barking.
Listening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look
One wall.
pretty sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.
Say hi, Nathan.
Hi.
How old are you, Nathan?
500.
You're 500 years old?
Yeah.
And what are you hoping to get this Christmas?
I want to get a dirt bike.
A dirt bike? What else would you be happy with?
Clothes.
Okay. How about you? What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob. You're my nephew. How old are you, Jacob?
6.
You're 6. And what are you hoping to get this Christmas?
Luck.
Luck? You want some luck for Christmas? All right.
Like good grades or something.
Oh, you want some good grades? That's cool. Anything else you want?
In my house. Just luck.
You just want some luck? All right. Well, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of luck for 2025.
100 billion trillion years. Can I have it? Wait, turn this camera around. Turn it around.
Okay, my nephews are crazy.
Why did you do that?
Today's also Benson's birthday, you guys, so we will be cutting him a cake.
Dad, you roll this. Come here, Dad. You want to play? If you want to play.
No fighting.
You're an adult. Do better. Serena is disqualified.
It was enough to make it to that one.
Wow, he got it.
That's cute. Oh, it's an ornament?
That is cute. Oh! What happened? Did you want that gift? Is that what happened? Yeah, you did. Oh, big worm!
Yeah, that's cute.
Very cute.
Actually, be careful.
Just slow down.
He caused a crash on the freeway.
could roll.
Oh, you got it. Oh, so cute. Oh, that's Benson. A little bit less. That's it. And you won this one.
Whoa! You want to trade? Yeah.
Wow. Do it again. Oh, come on. There, you got it. You got it. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got it. Right?
Oh, that's cute.
It is officially time to open gifts at the Jessica residence. This is my brother-in-law, Luke.
No, you're making money off my image.
Luke.
I need
This is
my royalties.
This is my nephew, Toby. Say hi, Toby. This is Jack. Oh. Oh, what do we have here? Oh. That's it. Wow, somebody got money. Oh, that's my dad. Yeah. Wow. Sorry, look cozy. Yeah.
You got that? Okay.
Sorry. Oh wow.
What is it?
You only got one.
Wow.
Nathan, this is one.
I'm gonna video call you right now.
Say thank you.
So cute.
Because this says mommy. Oh, so that means. Sorry guys, somebody's missing a gift. My sleeping. It's at the in-law.
Sam, look at that, Ma.
My 24-inch Hello Kitty.
Dental visit, $1,300.
Samantha.
No.
Oh, she looks so cute. It fits.
Your own PPO.
It's a guinea pig.
We're finishing up this Christmas stuff. It is. What time is it? It's 11:51. Christmas Eve. Got back from Jessica's. And now the girlies want to do... What do you guys want to do first?
Stockings.
Let's do the stockings first. Benson's like pooped. Poopsie. Look at the brand new toys from his auntie. Brand new toys from his auntie. Brand new toys from his auntie. Brand new toys from his mommy. That's right.
These are so cute.
My face. What?
The earrings.
Christian Queen.
I got you guys kind of like a lot of the same stuff. Oh, a light up keychain. Key ring. This is so cute.
That is really
little
cute.
bow.
Benson, here. Take it. It's yours. Take it. Maybe tomorrow. He's tired. Look. Oh, the cutest Nutella ever. So cute. Let's see. Belly ring. Period. What's that?
Look, Kindly Skincare eye cream.
Vitamin. Period. Carito.
Gratuitos, my favorite.
Are the patches in the chat with us?
It's like, I don't know. I got one too.
What is it?
That's what it is.
Just liquid?
Yeah, it's like the patches are in liquid, so I guess we just put it on our face.
It's that Halloween shit?
Yeah. It was like a Nightmare Before Christmas.
This is giving like Gisu, dude.
Yes, that's what I saw.
She said yes.
So cute.
Been needing, been wanting.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Love next lip liner. Pretty. Paulo, do you wanna break up some bud? That's okay. My rings.
Babe.
Millie.
More lippies. Yes, Millie. I saw her thing and I was like, I had to get those.
This and the bows is cute. Look at my perfume. The bows are so cute. Yes, nose rings.
And Christmas socks. I love socks. I got you like 3 of the same nose rings. Because you like lose them.
Yeah, good.
Hello, Kitty.
Hello, kitty.
Hello, Kitty.
Needed setting spray. You're so cute, Ma. Oh, Ma, look, I'm gonna put this on my school bag.
Yeah.
Adorable. It looks like a little strawberry. Perfuming it. So cute. So cute. 2024 Christmas.